Nice. Oh.
Careful.
Just hit my head. Wow. Cool. Very cool. Oh, this year? Oh, wow. So that's what that is there. Whoa. And this is all water normally.
A long while.
Really?
Yeah. All this pressure.
Oh my god. Is this the route that we did?
Oh, this is the route I've been driving after.
Oh, that we were supposed to do?
Which we drove here.
Uh-huh.
So the blue one is still okay.
Okay. Yeah, no, I was wondering how far we actually got.
Oh, how far you got?
Yeah, like where we turned around.
There.
Yeah, okay. Fox 11? This one? Okay. I'll look that up later. Cool. Oh, that's really cool. Really cool. So, here we have Longyear BN. This is where we started. We were supposed, well, originally we were supposed to do this other thing. Then we were gonna go up here to here and back, but we only ended up making it down here, turned around, and then saw some stuff, the airplane. We saw some reindeer, and then this right there is where we went in for some shelter in the cabin before we came back. And that was where the river, the river had not boiled up, but whatever, the little split thing that I have video of. So there we go. And that's the region of Svalbard. Our hotel for our last night in this super cute little fantasy world. There's Christmas trees. They were saying this is the greenest place in all of Svalbard. There's some antlers up there. Svalbard doesn't have any trees, so these are like shipped in Christmas trees. The only forest you'll find here. Got this thing up here. And there's like, oh, I just fell. Just like little places to sit. Town is over there. You can see some of the mountains in the background. And then they've got this super cool, like, bus thing. Yeah, and I guess it's just all, you know, places to hang out. I guess maybe when there isn't so much snow, or even if there is and you just want to hang out here. But look at this snow inside the bus. A little place to chill. And then this connects right over this way to a bar that's inside there. How cool is this? This is where we're going to have dinner. Oh my gosh, what a place. Beautiful. This is our table. We're starting out with this little welcome thing. Duck homemade pesto. Homemade pesto. Looks really delicious. This is a lovely chowder with cod, salmon. I think it's with cod. It's all local ingredients. Antonio is having seal. Yeah. Which apparently is really rare to find. It's also local, so excited to try it. Okay, I'm not gonna do like the whole explanation that she just gave to me, but so here we have reindeer, and this is whale, and this is seal, and then they have their different things that go along with them to accompany with the taste. And this is some homemade bread as well. Yum!